What's up guys, in this video I will be showing you what I got for $200 at Copart Salvage Auto Auction. If you are new to my channel, on here I like to buy really nice cars for a fraction of the price that they would sell anywhere else. This however is definitely an exception. It's one of the worst cars I've ever bought, but still let me know if it was worth the $200. Now this is a different video from what I usually upload. I usually upload cars that I like to rebuild for my personal use, which are really nice, such as my Audi S5. And here's the truck that we're going on. Got our little trailer.
Because these credit cards, it's horrible. When you don't see cash in hand, you spend it like this.
Yeah.
Right? But when it's cash, you're like, do you want to go pay for the car while I park?
Just got to Copart. I'm going in right now to pay for the car, and then we're gonna get it loaded onto the trailer. What's up, lot? Yeah. All right, thank you. What used to be a nice Range Rover right there. Now the wheel is ripped out. Here it comes. Good? Good? Quarter panel is a goner. Trunk. This quarter panel is hit too. Is the interior nice?
Nope.
Oh, we can't get in now, right? We gotta jack it up. I mean, we could have him pick.
Because I need to get that bolt thing.
Oh. Let's have him pick it up or what?
Yeah.
Whoa, this car is smashed hard. This damage is crazy. Unbelievable. This car is destroyed. Drilled rotors. We saw some damage on the back, but look, this fender's bad too. You notice?
It's aluminum, so you can't really fix it.
This headlight is good. Did we think that one was broken?
No.
That one's nice, this one's disgusting. But this can easily be buffed out.
looks like it's been replaced already.
Is this bumper usable?
Yeah, bumper's good. The
Yeah,
only
this
thing
bumper.
ripped is right here,
Yeah.
where the molding goes in.
Yeah.
You can use it though.
Absolutely.
For a $3,000 car, perfect bumper.
I don't even understand it. It doesn't even add up. How would this wheel shred so bad?
Popped, and then he was driving.
But-
Look how hard it got hit and ripped that thing off. This
Whoa.
engine mount, everything is probably messed.
What's going on underneath? Underneath looks fine. Yeah, that is weird. The intake part is ripped.
If it starts, I think it's gonna start driving.
Is it in gear? We don't want it flying forward. Yeah, this interior is seeing better days. That dash, look at the dashboard. Wait, why are you starting it?
Just for the fun of it.
Ah.
To see if this engine is worth it.
Oh yeah. What? It started. I actually can't believe it started after all those noises. Engine sounds good.
174,000 miles on it.
174?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. Transmission's good? Yeah, it's good, right?
Backup sensors.
Oh yeah, it's got backup sensors. Pop the trunk, let's get that thing on. Might find some Yeezys in this trunk. Whoa, this trunk is full. We're gonna find something in here. We got jumper cables, man. This thing's full of goodies.
Full of trash.
This is a jackpot. Look at this. This is the most full trunk I've ever seen from a car on Copart. McChicken wrapper.
That's it.
Spare tire is bald and flat.
Engine works good.
There's something really beautiful about a Copart car picking up another Copart car at Copart. Oh, it fit in?
Yeah.
Good to go. Clean title maybe?
Who knows? Maybe clean title. Look at the sensor popping up.
Yeah. I remember when Rebuilder guy, right, said the Honda Civic might get a clean title. That was hilarious. The wheel, this thing is I don't even know how it's hanging on. It got worse. It wasn't this angle before. I don't think this wheel is gonna turn at all. It's going. Hold on, you're gonna drive over the wheel. Oh man, that's crazy. I feel like the wheel's about to break off. But you're good, keep going. Oh man, that looks so bad. Oh, that looks painful. Keep going. Yeah, stop. Perfect. This is it. And now I'm gonna use this bumper on this car right here. Bought that parts car for this car over here. Gonna use the front end, assemble all this, so then this car will be ready. And whatever parts are left from this car are gonna go on the other blue one I got back here. Right here. Like the headlight, things like that. That's going to be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I respond to every single comment. If you like the video, leave a like so I know you want to see more. Also, subscribe to see what other cars I buy and see more videos like this.